Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. In this video, we are discussing Introduction to Excel Workbook. We'll discuss about the features, tools and options in Microsoft Excel. The version I am using here is Microsoft Excel 365. Each version will be different from the other, but the basic concept will be the same. First, we will see what tabs are. It is one of the most important features. All the options have been categorized under different tabs. The options in the tabs are arranged on the menu bar. When you click on each tab, you can see the corresponding options to that tab on the menu bar. Insert, page layout, formulas, data, etc. are some of the tabs in Excel. Next is sheets. On clicking on the plus sign, one can create new sheets if the person wants to. If you have to see all the rows, you have to go down using the scroll bar on the right side of the screen. If you want to see all the columns, you have to use the scroll bar, which is at the bottom of the sheet, sideways. Search option has been started in Excel 2016 onwards. The options which we cannot see at a glance can be found out by typing it in the search bar. It straightaway navigates to the said option. This is a very useful feature as there are so many options which are not always visible. Even the options of which we do not know the location of also can be easily searched out using this feature without manually navigating to it. When you go to the File tab, you can see the Home tab. If you want a new file, click on the New option. Many types of templates, even online templates, are also available in Excel. We can open it by coming to the File tab. If you want to open an existing workbook or folder, you can click on the Browse option and go to its location and open it, or you can see them under Workbook and Folder sections respectively. If you would like to get more information on the file, you can go to the Info option and find out its properties, size, author, etc. Sharing and password protection of your Excel file is given here. In the Options feature of Excel, you can add new options or disable the added options. Many features have been added to Excel by default. If you wish to make any changes to these, you can do it here. If the changes are made here, it will reflect in all the Excel files in your computer system. In general, you can make changes to options like Mini Toolbar, Quick Analysis, etc. Default font sizes, sheets, etc. can be changed here. Normally, number of sheets is set to 1. If you want, you can increase the number. You can also change username here. Next is formulas. Here, you can see the calculation options. Automatic is the default option. When needed, you can change it to manual. In working with formulas, you can see R1C1 reference style. What we have now is alphanumerical. So there are many options. One by one and understand and use it when needed. Save, which is an important feature, comes after proofing. If you are in a habit of not saving your file often, you can use the auto recover option. It works in every 10 minutes. So, if you forget to save the file, you can recover it from the auto recover option. The file path can be found in the auto recover file location. Ribbons can be customized in the customize option. This section will be dealt in detail in the coming videos. With that said, I am signing off. Let us meet again with a new topic in the coming video.